Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 11 Index Numbers Long Question Example 5. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Okay, let me read the question now. The table below shows the prices of three components needed to make a type of electronic equipment in the year 2004 and 2006 and their respective price indices for the year 2006 based on the year 2004. Okay, let me show you the table now. So this is the table, guys, consists of the component A, B and C, price in the year 2004 and the 2006 and their respective price index. Okay, continue to read the question. The pie chart below shows the percentage of usage for each of the three components. Okay, let me show you the pie chart now. Okay, as you can see here, this is the following pie chart. Continue to read the question. Find the value of P, of Q and of R. Calculate the composite index of the components for the year 2006 based on the year 2004. So this is for the question part A and part B. We still have two questions left, guys, in the next page. So please hold on for a moment. If the electronic equipment made from the three components is sold at a price of 300 ringgit in the year 2004, calculate its corresponding selling price in the year 2006. This is for the question part C. Okay, let us proceed to the last question, which is the part D. From the year 2006 to the year 2008, the prices of the components A, B and C increased by 10%, 5% and 15% respectively. Calculate the composite index of the components for the year 2008 based on the year 2006. So these are the respective questions, guys. Okay, we're going to start to discuss the solution for the question part A. Okay, let us look at the question part A solutions now. For question part A, to find P, Q and R, price index formula need to be used, guys. Okay, so for P is equals to 21 over 20, you times it 100. So from here you get your P value is equals to 105. So this is your price index for P. So Q over 9 times it 100 is equals to 115. So from here you get your Q value is equals to 10 ringgit 35 cents. Okay, whereas for the value of R, 18.90 divided with R times with 100 equals to 120. So you calculate this, you should get your R value is equals to 15 ringgit and 75 cents. So these are the respective value, guys, for P, Q and R. Okay, let us proceed to the question part B now. So once you've already identified the price index, now you can proceed to find the composite index, guys. Okay, composite index I bar is equals to summation of price index times with the respective weightage divided by the summation of the weightage. So this is the formula for composite index. Okay, continue. So the step 1, what we need to do, we need to identify the weightage which is in the degree form for component A, B and C, guys. Okay, let me turn to the next page. Okay, as you notice in the question, the weightage is actually given in the degree form, guys, in the pie chart. So let us identify the weightage for each of the component. So for component A is actually equals to 180 degree. How do you know it's 180 degree? Because component A is actually a semicircle, guys. The angle of a semicircle is 180 degree. Okay, let us proceed to the component B and component C. Component C is already given as 72 degree in the question. So how to find the component B is very simple, guys. 360 degree, which stand for the total internal angle of a circle you minus with 180 degree and minus with 72 degree. So from here, you can easily get the weightage of the component B, which is 108 degree. So that's how you get the three respective weightages, guys, which is 180 degree, 108 degree and 72 degree. Okay, let me proceed to the next step. So for the next step, what we need to do, we need to find the composite index of the year 2006 based on the year 2004. Okay, so you calculate this. 105 times with 180 plus 115 times with 108 plus 120 times with 72. You divide with the summation of the weightage. The summation of the weightage should be 360 degree, guys, since it is a angular form. Okay, so 180 plus 108 plus 72, you should get 360. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your composite index is equals to 111. Okay, this is for the question part B, guys. Okay, question part A and part B is quite straightforward, so you can solve it easily. So let us proceed to the question part C now. So for question part C, so given that the composite index of the year 2006 based on the year 2004 is equals to 111, which you've already find just now. Okay, in the question mentioned that one of the electronic equipment is sold in the price of, selling the price of 300. So what is the corresponding selling price in the year 2006? So let's say this is the equipment, electronic equipment, which is sold in the year 2004. So what is the corresponding selling for the electronic equipment in the year 2006? So how to find it? We have already find the composite value over here. So we substitute over here, guys. So x over 300, because x we don't know yet. So x over 300, you times it 100 equals to 111. So you calculate this, you should get your corresponding selling of the electronic equipment is equals to 333 ringgit. So this will be your final answer. Okay, so I hope you understand the working so far, guys. Okay, let me proceed to the last question, guys. So for the step 1, the last question, what we need to do, we need to find the price index for the year 2008 based on 2006 for A, B and C respectively. Okay, let us continue. Okay, in the question, they've already mentioned that price index from the year 2006 to 2008 is increased by 10% for the component A, 5% for the component B and 15% for the component C. So that's how you get this new price index, guys, where your component A will be 110, your component B will be 105, your component C will be 115. So what you do, as it has an increment, 100 you just plus with the respective increment, guys. That's how you get the price index for the respective components. So this is for your step 1. Okay, once you calculate this, so your next step will be very straightforward, guys, which is you find the composite index for the year 2008 based on the year 2006. Okay, the weightage has no difference, guys. The weightage remained the same, only the price index is changed. So to find the composite index of the year 2008 based on the year 2006 is equals to 110 times with 180 plus 105 times with 108 plus 115 times with 72. You divide with the summation of the weightage, guys, which is 180 plus 108 plus 72. Okay, you calculate this, you should get your answer 109.5. So this is your composite value of the year 2008 based on the year 2006, which is 109.5. Okay, let me put back the question paper for your reference. So please hold on for a moment, guys. Okay, that is all for my step-by-step working and solution for this question. Okay, I hope you understand the working that I've shown to you. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.